Affiliate marketing. This video is about affiliate marketing on YouTube, how it works, and how you can get started. In this video, I will explain everything you need to know about affiliate marketing, how it works, and how you can get started with it. So let's get started. What is affiliate marketing? It is a type of online marketing where you promote other people's products and earn a commission for each sale made through your affiliate link. And the best part, you don't have to make the product yourself, do customer service, or worry about shipping and handling. All you do is promote the product to your customers and earn a commission for every sale made through your link. How do you find products to promote? Well, many affiliate networks exist such as Amazon Associates, ClickBank, and Commission Junction. These networks connect you with thousands of products to promote across a wide range of niches. You can also reach out to companies directly to see if they have an affiliate. How does affiliate marketing on YouTube work? YouTubers have a unique audience that trusts you and values your opinion. The key to successful affiliate marketing on YouTube is to find products that are relevant to your niche and that your audience will find valuable. For example, if your channel is about beauty and makeup, you could promote beauty products such as skincare, makeup, and hair care. How to get started with affiliate marketing on YouTube? Are you a YouTube creator who wants to monetize your content? Have you heard about affiliate opportunities but don't know where to start? Then this guide is for you. In this guide, we will walk you through the steps to get started with affiliate marketing on YouTube. Step 1. Find an affiliate program. Once you have chosen a niche, it is time to find an affiliate program that offers products you can promote. You can search for affiliate programs in your niche by typing your niche plus affiliate program in Google. Popular affiliate programs include Amazon Associates, ClickBank, and Share a Sale. When choosing an affiliate program, read the terms and conditions carefully. Some programs have strict rules on how products are promoted, and violating these rules could result in account suspension. Step 2. Create product reviews and tutorials. Once you have joined an affiliate program, the next step is to start promoting products on your own channel. One effective way to do this is to create product reviews and tutorials. Product reviews allow you to share your honest opinion about a product and provide valuable information to your viewers. Tutorials show viewers how to use a product and are especially effective when promoting a complex and difficult-to-use product. Be sure to clearly state that you are using affiliate links in the video description or in a prominent place in the video. Not only is this ethical, but it is also required by law in some countries. Step 3. Promote your video. Finally, promote your affiliate marketing video. Share them on your social media channels, embed them on your website, and if you have the budget, promote them through paid advertising. Additionally, you can create blog posts to accompany your videos and optimize them for search engine traffic. How do you actually make money as an affiliate? It's all about promoting products and services that you trust and that your customers will find value in. Here are a few steps to get started as an affiliate. Sign up for an affiliate program. Once you have chosen your niche, research affiliate programs in that area. Many companies have their own affiliate programs, but there are also affiliate networks such as Amazon Associates, Commission Junction, and Share a Sale that bring together multiple brands. Promote your products. Once you have signed up for an affiliate program, it's time to start promoting your products. You can promote products on your blog, social media channels, email list, or even create videos on YouTube. Be sure to clearly state that you are using an affiliate link and let your audience know. Build trust with your viewers. To be successful in affiliate marketing, you need to build trust with your audience. Promote only what you truly believe in and what will benefit your audience. Don't promote products just to make money. Document your results. Finally, track your results to see what is working and what is not. This will help you optimize your promotions and make more money. Once you have joined an affiliate program, the next step is to find products to promote. In the affiliate program marketplace, you can find products that are relevant to your niche and that your readers will like. You can also contact the brand directly and ask if they have an affiliate program. When promoting products on your YouTube channel, there are a few things to remember. First, always disclose that you are using affiliate links in your videos. This is important to comply with FTC regulations and maintain viewer trust. Second, Only promote products that you believe in and that you yourself would want to use. Your audience trusts you and you don't want to lose that trust by promoting products that have no value. How to optimize your affiliate marketing strategy for YouTube. Now, let's cut to the chase and discuss how to optimize your affiliate marketing strategy on YouTube. Here are a few tips to help you out. Know your audience. Understanding your audience is critical to your success as an affiliate. Knowing your audience's likes, dislikes, interests, and preferences will help you create content that resonates with them. Understand what your audience is looking for through market research, analysis, commentary, and interaction with your audience. Choose the right product. Not just any product can be promoted. Choose products that fit your niche and that your audience will find value in. Choose products that you have personally tried and tested so you can give honest reviews and recommendations. Create engaging content. Once you know your audience and the products you want to promote, the next step is to create content that will engage your audience. Make your video visually appealing, informative, and entertaining. Use storytelling techniques, add humor, and provide value to your audience. Use affiliate links strategically. Include affiliate links in your video descriptions for easy access. Without being too intrusive, make it clear that you are the affiliate and that you may receive a commission if someone clicks on your link and makes a purchase. Be consistent. Consistency is key to building a successful YouTube channel. Post new videos regularly. Engage with your audience, and keep trying new strategies to see what works best. Track performance. Track the performance of your affiliate links to see what is working and what is not. Use analytical tools to see how many times your links are clicked, how many times they convert, and which videos are performing best. So, everything you need to know about affiliate marketing on YouTube is out there. Affiliate marketing is a great way to monetize your YouTube channel and earn extra cash, but remember that it is important to do so ethically and transparently. Always disclose that you are using affiliate links, only promote products you believe in, and optimize your strategy for success. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more great content. Thank you for watching.